Hi, my name is Amy and I'm a librarian at Beaverton City Library, and today we're going to do a fun STEM experiment that uses really simple materials. And even though it seems simple, you're actually discussing gravitational pull and physics. So there's a lot involved in this experiment, and you can really scale it up for older kids or scale it down. It's great for kids in kindergarten through 5th grade, or even younger kids will enjoy it also. So for this experiment, you're going to need paper towel or toilet paper rolls that are empty. You'll need some masking tape that you can use to attach the rolls to your wall without damaging it. And then you'll need something to use as your marble. In my case, I'm using a rolled up piece of aluminum foil that then you can recycle. And so you could just run anything through your maze and test out the pull of gravity on different weights of objects. So you might have some pom-poms or some small beads or something else that will roll through your maze, and you can test out those different objects to see how fast they move down your marble maze. You can even time them if you have a stopwatch or use your phone for that. And you can alter the angle of your paper towels to see, or paper towel tubes, to see how fast it will move down your maze. Yep, and in my case, I have another point of entry for the maze, so you can do that and have your maze branch off also. You can get really detailed and add a lot of paper towels to your maze. You can keep adding over several days and have a lot of fun with it. So I hope you enjoy, and it's a great activity also to celebrate Earth Week, since we're celebrating Earth Week, and it's using recycled and reused materials. Enjoy.